We got this new awesome robot vacuum cleaner. I always wanted to see Haru's reaction to it. Ready? Oh, if you guys want to see more of them, check out our new vlog channel. Uh-oh. So we have this app, right, that's like associated with it. We named the vacuum Haru's enemy. But with one click of a button, there it goes. Cool. So I'm gonna put Haru's favorite treats on top of the vacuum cleaner. Right here. It's right there, Haru. You can do it. Alright, I finished cleaning. Go get it. It finished. Go get it. Good job. Still don't trust it? So it even gets all the corners too. Pretty interesting. Haru, come on. Yeah! You got it, Haru.
So the vacuum needs now to be charged. So let's just see how much it picked up. Wow. That is all of Haru's hair. That's awesome.